Without me sharing too much about it. Okay, so there's two parts. Guys, quiet, please. So there's a part one. Guys, quiet, please. I know you guys are telling us about the final, but let me. So there's a part one and a part two. Part one, we'll have probably about 6 questions. I might adjust it. So probably about 6 questions. And probably worth roughly about 40 points. I don't, Chuka, I'm sorry. 6 questions, 40 points. So kind of, and I would say probably spend about 40 minutes for standard time. Actually, I probably spend like 45 minutes.
6 questions? Oh, 6 questions for 25 minutes.
Well, some of you guys take a long time with graphing, that's why. Because remember yeah, this is non-calc, guys, sorry.
Oh.
Okay, and that's non-calc. You will be provided a formula sheet. So all the transformations, like all the different types of graphs you'll see, it's going to be all graphing. Yeah. So actually, it might be 5 to 6 questions. Let me rearrange that. I think it's 5 or 6 questions. I still have to work it out. So yeah, 5 or 6 questions, all graphing. And here are the things you could expect: absolute value, quadratic, square roots, inequalities, raised to square roots, exponential, or cubic. Guys, quiet. Let me talk. Thanks. Awesome. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah. So I think that's irrational also. I forgot about to say that as well. Yeah, that's like y equals 1 over x. Kind of like that. Okay, so that's going to be part 1. So expect that. So should be no surprise. I'm not going to say exactly which graphic question, but 5 or 6 questions. I'm probably going to cover each of these items. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So probably maybe 2's get left out.
You give me a hint on like which ones it'll be?
No.
Which ones it won't?
Yeah, know them all. No. But here's okay. So actually, let me be more straightforward with you guys.
Please don't ask me, sir.
Rational. Y equals 1 over x. Yeah, I'll share this to you guys too. Don't worry. I'll share this to you guys. The thing is that because there's like I think 7 or 8 different sections of Algebra 2, and I'll just use tests every day next week except Monday because that's a history day. So there's a Tuesday, there's a Wednesday, a Thursday, Friday. We have to write 4 versions of the test. So whatever version, I don't know what version you guys are getting, but we're like, for example, like maybe your version has all these except rational, but the other version may have rational. So I don't know. I can't really say what's what, but do know all of them. So do know how to graph absolute value, quadratic, square root, inequalities, exponential, cubic, and rational. Do know all 7 of those. Okay. Also make sure you know domain range. Let me because I need a little more space here. Also, yeah, guys, very important. No domain, range, transformations. Excuse me, this is my voice there. And asymptotes. Remember asymptotes?
Oh.
Yeah.
No.
Yes. Yeah, we've done quite a bit. Not all of them have asymptotes, some do. Also intercepts. X and Y intercepts.
Yeah. So that's also what's going on with that as well. Okay. I think that's pretty much fair. Oh, vertex. Well, that's transformations. You guys should know that. Okay. Yeah, I'll just put vertex. Okay, so that's kind of what's happening with part one. Now I will go through the packet. Guys, quiet, please. I will go through the packet and kind of identify good problems to focus on in a moment after I finish talking about part two. But part one, this is what to expect. 5 or 6 questions. Again, I might reduce the question if I feel it takes too long because I still have to work through it. About 40 points, 45 minutes roughly you should spend. Formula sheet will be provided. Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, actually, I have it right here. Hold on a sec. Let's do this. If I show you the form sheet from last year, Algebra 2. Let me show how it looks like just to ease you guys' concerns. Yes, and I'll produce it for you guys. Actually, I could try printing it during the class today. Here we go. It's definitely more elaborate than before. So you guys will get all this. So don't worry if you somehow like forget, like, oh, what is H, how is it supposed to be set up? You get this for an entire final exam. Okay. Was that? Yeah, I can put them now. Yeah, that's fine. Actually,
Is that the beginning of the?
finally, yes. And you're also getting we actually updated this. There's more we'll provide. But you get all the interest formulas, you get the quad form, you get the vertex, you get all that stuff. Yeah, and actually, hold on one sec. I think Ms. Wong did an update in our shared drive. Yeah, here we go. I think she did an update. Yeah, she did. Yeah, I'll have to reprint it. Hard to tell, but you get actually when you be in 2A. Actually, that's hard. I think she had that wrong. Actually, that's his word. Word's being stupid. A equals it's correct here, it's just Word's not showing it. Yeah, so we'll provide all that. So you're good. Okay. All right, so that's part one, guys. Yeah, no. Okay, part two. You should spend about 45. I'd say about 45 minutes to be fair. You probably may get it done sooner. I don't know. I would say for part two should take about an hour. If you have an accommodation for a 4 function, you can get it for part one, but I can't give you that. But if you don't have the accommodation, if you're not ASC, then. Oh, by the way, make sure you fill out that survey. For those who can't still get the survey, I have a different link that might work. So I'll talk to you individually because they need that information today. So I'd say 60 minutes would be probably standard time. This would be probably worth about 75 to 80 points. So it's about double. You do get 2 hours, by the way. So there's a little bit of buffer. So this test is designed to last less than 2 hours, but you can get 2 hours if you need it. I'm going to talk right now. Yes, this is graphing calculator allowed. Please don't leave your house without your calculator. I do have a few to spare, but if I have like 7 or 8 students, that kind of puts me in a bind. So just please, you're coming here for one reason. Well, 2 reasons. We have another test too. Probably about 8 or 9 questions, I'd say. 8 or 9 questions. Okay, what types of questions to expect? Well, solving. Go ahead. Yeah, no, please share if you have stuff to share. Solving equations. Definitely know how to complete the square. You guys may have forgotten that. Word problems. Function notation. Transformations. We can still ask that. Ooh, exponents and radicals. I know that was kind of tricky for you guys. Yeah, that could be. Rational expressions. And finance. Well, that's under word problems. So word problems, kind of let me branch out here. And we had a quadratic word problem in the most recent test, right? We had 2. In finance, like interest, all those things. That's a lot. That's a lot there. Yeah, that's part 2. Yeah. Okay.
On the other sheet, will it say like compound interest is.
Yeah, of course, 100%. Well, oh, actually, sorry, on the format sheet, I thought it was on the test. In the format sheet, it just you're just gonna have you gotta know which one does which, yeah. But the one with the E is continuous. And the other one, like the N is like if you do 4 times year, then put 4 for N, right? Yeah. Let me download this. Don't worry, I will I wanted to actually go back to the previous screen, do a screenshot. Sorry. I'm gonna kill my mouse here. Just give me a moment here. Now I'm gonna show you sample problems to focus on because it's a lot of problems I put in the packet, but I think you guys do need to have a little bit more focus. So I'm gonna do that and let you guys work. So hold on. I just want to undo. Pretty impressive that Zoom has all this remembered. Cool. There we go. Okay, I downloaded this, so I'll share this with you guys as well. Okay. It could be a variety of things. It could be like radical, exponential, rational. Yeah, it could be a variety of things. I'm going to show you right now.
So for X, or is that like finding the LCD?
All that stuff. Everything. Yep. Yep, everything. Now, what should you guys focus on the packet? Okay. Here's what I think you guys should focus on. Let me pull the packet now.
Yeah, I thought.
All right.
Well.
Hold on.
This dude was just trotting around school, whirling his TV buttons, and there's everybody can see.
Give me one sec here. There's this one. Oh, it's this. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. All right. So what to focus on, guys? I would say I'm gonna jump to like okay. Definitely graphing radicals. That's good. I will ask you. This is a page 25. Yeah, any of these are good problems. Actually, to be really honest, let me give you guys more detailed. Okay, guys, quiet, please. Thank you. Oh, sorry. Thanks. All right. So Aiden, Elia, yes, Lincoln, Reggie, thanks. All right. I would say page 26, numbers 13 and 14. Try those. If you do that, you'll be good. I mean, there's a whole bunch of other ones you could do, but I think those are more realistic. Yeah, right. Right. Heck yes. That's why you practice. That's why we're doing it. Yeah, that's why we're doing it. Okay.
Wait.
You just have doing your match first and then.
You could both. Either way, it's fine. I would say page 30, is that 30? Yeah, page 30, number 5 and 6.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, let me finish. 5, 6. I would say Lincoln, stop talking. Thanks. I'd say page 34, 7 through 12. Any of those are fine, yeah. Um, ooh, good one here. Page 37. Number 5 and 6. Yeah. I'm writing on the board right there. Some of these are a little bit crazy. I don't know if I like those problems. Let me go back.
That's so weird.
I would also say, okay, these are a little bit too challenging, but just give them a try. Because I'm not gonna have it quite like this. It's good to do. It's actually, you know, I think you guys can handle it. It's not gonna be exactly like this. It'll be a little easier in the final, but I'd say page 39, number 3 or 4. So I think those are all good ones to try. So if you really want very focused work today, like you want to feel that confidence, that validation, like, hey, I think I could do the part 1 just fine next week. Try those problems. I think you can knock out most of these today in class. You don't have to do like all of them, like especially 7 through 12 for page 34. Maybe just a couple of them would be good. But yeah, I think that'd be good.
Stuff you put up there, that will be part 1.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, these are good like these are like problems like really if you want to prioritize problems, I'd prioritize those. Yeah. Now we do part 2. Okay. All right, part 2. So I saved it. I'll share it with you guys. Don't worry. I'm recording this too. For part 2. For part 2 stuff, I probably would say like page 41. Probably number 13 and 14. Or number 11 through 14, I'll say. Bless you. I would say page. Ooh, there's good ones here. Yeah, I'd say page 47. Number 23 to 30. You have the answers next. I'd say page 49, 5 through 10. 5 through 10. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, 49. Page 51, 7 through 12.
He's locked in.
I did some.
Yeah.
So much.
Yeah, go ahead.
For 13 on 26,
Mhm.
I got points, but like just to see if I did, I plugged into my graph.
We haven't discussed.
It got the same points, but like graph was different.
Let me take a look at it. Give me a moment. Guys, quiet. Page 50, 11 through 14. Page 54, 25 to 30. Hey guys, unless you're working, please focus. I'm trying to help you guys. Thanks.
Thank you for helping us.
Nathan, that's very kind of. Thank you. You're such a nice guy. Thank you.
That's true, like nothing.
Sometimes my son does that when he tells me I'm getting a little frustrated. It's like, all right, you're welcome. No, just to show appreciation that, you know. Thank you, Nathan. Appreciate it. Oh, that's a good one. Page 57, number 5 through 8.
Fact that there's, you're just saying, turn to page 57.
I know it's kind of crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, this is good. I do. Page 62, 17 to 22. Yeah, those are probably a good challenge. And then these are worked out examples, so probably not best to do these.
I guarantee you. I messed up a word problem.
No, 53, 54, 57.
Yeah, oh, 51.
54, 51, yeah.
Started like stopping.
I say page 72 to 75. All of it. And then page 78, number 6. Yeah, here we go. Okay, that's pretty complete, guys. All right. Okay, guys, use my time to work. I think I kind of shared a lot there.
Can you come here then?
Yeah, okay. So you guys have kind of some guidance.
Here's my calculator.
So don't necessarily do all the problems in the packet, just do these what I've suggested.
I'll take a photo of it.
Yeah, I'll share. Yeah, fix it. There you fix.
Thanks.
Yeah.
How do I,
Zoom option 6. That's how you fix it.
also, how do I do the trace intersect?
Second trace. Second. Yeah, but you have to have 2 graphs though. Right.
That's why I missed it. Right, I didn't know like.
You know, other races.
All right, guys, get to work. You use it now. If you do have stuff to do for another class and you feel you got this under control, that's fine. But use your time wisely, okay? So if you get,
I forgot my packet, can I borrow?
oh, yeah, no, yeah,
Sure,
100%, yeah.
Oh,
I have extras. Oh, I'm gonna call people up too to talk about the test, so I'll do that as well.
Why would I have?
And some more. What's your question? Yeah, let's. Yeah.
Come here.
Yeah, come here. Come here.
Do you want the Negroes?
If
If you're a guy and you're.
Well, air can transport negative numbers.
But it's fine.
Like, if I'm a guy and I'm like, Sean on TV and I'm not getting all.
John is.
Oh, don't worry, it's just confirmation.
There's a sugar.
It's a flaw in the calculator program. Yeah, Sarah.
Yeah. Six more on this. I'm the kids are doing this right all the time.
Hold on, what are you trying to do this way here? The 1 plus point, this should be, yeah.
Oh, I have seen like edits of this on TikTok.
Oh, 1.0.
Yeah, like, you're right, you're right.
You have to convert to a decimal. How do you represent a decimal divided by hundreds?
I am. So.
Yeah, you went too high. That's why it's off.
I hate
It's 0.0101.
What I
do?
running in.
Oh, you do actually with negative 0 too.
Such a.
Negative 0 to find that.
Yeah.
We can't.
I'm a.
We won't touch. So they make a table and plug some of the points in. All right, let me pass back test for those I've already spoken to.
Are you optioning for a question?
Morning, so you can do that.
So, yeah, very swift, right?
Wait, ours is afternoon.
Oh, I think there's one more.
Like, wait, oh, we actually stand though.
And lowest and highest.
You kidding me?
Who's
that girl?
You go on to that. You guys keep your test now. And Jaslyn, you're here.
Oh.
All right, now let's chat with other people. All right, Alexander, we can chat really fast.
Are
Oh.
you gonna?